Hello everyone, this is Lena from Estonian Trader. I'm just going to do a quick video about how to set up MetaTrader 5, also with the indicators that I use for the 15-minute strategy that I'll have a video for shortly. So what you need to do is go to metatrader5.com. There's a free download link there. I've also got links on my website on estoniantrader.com where you can download MetaTrader 5 from. Okay, so once you've downloaded it, we've got through the installation process here. Just click next. Yeah, we agree to all of that as usual. Okay, and just click finish. So this is MetaTrader 5 here. So you just need to open an account and we're ready to go. So next, new demo account. And just need to enter your details here. Okay, then it gives you your details and just click finish and we're ready to go. Okay, now that you've got the MetaTrader 5 up and running, just going to talk you through how to set up the indicators that I use on the 15-minute strategy. Now, first of all, how you get the charts. So two ways. You either right click here on the list. Let's take British pound US dollar chart window, or alternatively you can click file, new chart, and choose from the list. So Forex 2, the list is here. Let's grab a couple. Sorry, wrong button. Okay, so got the US dollar Swiss franc here. Now, first of all, what I want to do is I want to get rid of this grid. It's a personal preference, I just don't like it. So what I do is right click and click on grid. And what I also normally do is I change these bars. I change the bars to candlesticks, which you can do on the top left side here. And what I also want to do is right click again, go to properties. Once again, this is personal preference, you don't have to do this, but I find it easier. So bar up line, bar down, I will choose red. Also bull candle green and bear candle red. Okay, there we are. Make it a bit smaller. Also, what I want to do is, again, it's a personal preference. Just going to quick click here. That will shift the end of the chart. So it's a little bit easier to look at. So now let's add the indicators. Okay, you can get your indicators if you go to the top left side, insert, indicators. First one I'm going to pick is Bollinger Bands. Okay, let's check. The parameters are 20, levels, all good. So just apply that. These are the Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands are a technical analysis tool created by John Bollinger in the 1980s. So it's used to measure the highness and lowness of the price relative to previous trades. So it's indicating overbought and oversold conditions in the market. So when you see the candlestick is crossing over the Bollinger Band, you expect the price to change and bounce back, either up or down, whichever one you're looking at. So for example here, we have a bullish candle crossing over, and after that the price has dropped. Next one, let's take here, a bearish candle crossing over the Bollinger Band, and the price again is going up. Same here, and let's see somewhere I can find a better one. Also here, as you can see, there's quite a lot of movement, so we'd expect here to be some sort of a high impact news situation. Okay, now our second indicator I'm going to add is RSI, which is a relative strength index. So once again, go to Insert, Indicators, and that's an oscillator. So find that here, relative strength index. So the parameters, period 14, levels 30 and 70, and that's all okay. So the RSI it compares the magnitude of recent gains to losses to determine also overbought and oversold conditions. So what we're looking for here is for the RSI to go over the 70 or under 30, and that's when I would be opening a trade. So let's look at this here. So when RSI has been 72, you can see there's a candlestick crossing over the Bollinger Band and the price starts to go down. Also another one here, the RSI is at 27, so pretty good. Again, candlestick crosses over the Bollinger Band and the price changes. Okay, now the next indicator I'm going to use is CCI, or Commodity Channel Index, also an oscillator. Here we are, period 14, levels minus 100 and 100, just all the standard settings. Right here. So with the CCI, what I'm looking for is again extreme conditions. So I want it to be at least over 100 or a minus 100, but really I'll be looking to trade only if it hits 150 and minus 150. So for example, we have it. So here, where the RSI and CCI together, CCI is at minus 242, and that would have been a perfect trade. Now, I wouldn't use CCI on its own, but as a second indicator, it's another good thing to look at, just to give you another signal so you know whether to start a trade or not. And last indicator I use is the stochastic oscillator. Let's set that up here as well. Period 5, levels 20 and 80. Okay, so the stochastic is a momentum indicator. It uses support and resistance and also helps you determine when market is overbought and oversold. So with the stochastic, what we want is we want to see a crossover these two lines here. It needs to be on the right hand side. So when we do have a crossover, it is another indicator telling you that the price is going to change its course. So let's look where all three indicators line up. So for example, here we have the candlestick crossing over Bollinger. RSI is 27, which is perfect. Also CCI has gone to a very low point, and we're seeing a crossover with the stochastic. So these are the indicators I use. As once again I said, you can't really use them, only one of them, because it's not a strong signal enough. But when all of them, or let's say 3 out of 4, line up, then it's going to be a good condition and you can confidently take a trade. Okay, so this is how to set the indicators up and a little bit about them. Also what you need to do, you need to change the periodicity of the candlesticks. So you can do that here. Just click Charts, Periodicity, and we'll change it to 5 minutes. Different strategies have different time scales, but on the 15-minute strategy I use, the candlesticks need to be 5 minutes. So these are the indicators. This is how you would expect your charts to look. So what we want to do is we want to save this as a template and add it to the other charts as well. So templates, save template, I will name it 15 minute. And now just click on the other charts, right click again, and load template, 15 minute. Okay, now that that's done, don't forget to change the periodicity on the others as well, as it doesn't automatically do so when you load your template. So just click on charts, periodicity, and 5 minutes, and do that manually to all of your charts. Okay, so that's MetaTrader all set up for you here. I will also do a video about the 15-minute strategy. I will talk you through the trades, and I will be trading at the same time. So once again, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel, leave me a like, it really helps me out. And I'll hope to see you on the next video. Till next time, ciao!